Welcome back to Online Media. Today, let's go and explore the Jobber, specifically Jobber Pro, and provide a beginner guide to using this powerful platform. Let's dive right in. First of all, what you want to do is to go into getjobber.com. If this is the first time that you are actually in here, I'm going to leave the link down below in the description so we can all get started totally for free, enjoy having an actual huge deal in order to continue. Now, this Jobber Free today is going to be helping you to add home services run smoothly for all your customers, find out yourself, adding calendars, and so much more. So, what I wanted to do is to input your work email and add a passcode in order to get started. This is the part where you wanted to set up your actual account. Once you are logged in, you wanted to take some time to set up your Jobber Pro account. This includes adding your company information, setting up your services, and configuring your actual preferences. Here, usually what you want to do is to choose the industry you're actually working are focusing on. For example, painting, pest control, renovation, staffing services, and much more. Lastly, what is your actual top priority? For example, here directly what you actually are focusing on is to increase efficiency, or to get paid faster, or even just win more work. Did you find out about Java? Usually what we do is to just type YouTube and go for get started. Inside the Jobber, we can start by adding clients and jobs. So start by adding your clients to Jobber Pro. You can do this in the manual by entering the information and import existing client data into the platform. Focus into the left part that says clients. Inside client, what you can do is to just type into the section that says new client. Inside here, what I wanted to do is to add the first, the last name, if there's a company name, the property details about this one, the contact details, for example the phone number, as well as an email address, and if you wanted to see a specific notification about the customer. Lastly, hitting to save your actual client. And now your client should be added here into the list of all your clients. Now schedule your jobs and the appointments. Using the actual Jobber Pro scheduling features is going to be helping you to add appointments for your clients. So simply select the date, the time, and the design that appropriate the team members. So assuming for example that I have an actual works on, let's say, the next Friday, I just clicked into this new block section, and here you can just start by creating an actual new job, a new request, new tasks, or a new calendar event. Let's go for new job. Inside new job, here I have the job for an actual client if you already have a client already been added into your actual account. Select if this one is a one-off job or a recurring job. In this case, it's only one recurring job, and it's going to be ended exactly the same date. Lastly, here is the actual invoice and the line items. So let's say for example that we are actually installing sound system. Here's the description. You can add a new line system, for example like a home theater, the projector system, and you can just change your actual unit cost and your unit price. Now here you can track time and expenses. You can keep track of the time spent in jobs and expenses using Jobber Pro's time tracking and expenses management tools, and that can be tracked into the timesheets. My hours for today, for example, let's go for today and go for save. And here you can track all the total hours you have just worked on. Lastly, you can create and send invoices. You can generate professional looking invoices directly with the Jobber Pro and sending them to your clients with just a few clicks. You can customize those directly here into invoices with your branding and payment terms. If you hit into create your invoice, you can just fill all the prompts that appears in here. For example, let's say that I want to be creating an actual invoice for this guy. So I choose for the accept here job that we have currently already been enabled. Let's go for the next step and follow all the instructions, for example adding all the products, the add item, if you have a client message, if you wanted to of course add taxes, a tax rate, some internal notes, and drag some files if this is applicable. And you can now save your invoice. Lastly, you can utilize reporting and analytics. You can take advantage of Jobber Pro's reporting and analytics features to gain insight into your actual business. Analyze key metrics such as the revenue, the profitability, and the client's retention. This is only available for the actual Jobber Pro, so make sure that you are actually checking all the reports that appears here. Inside the report section, you can check out the financial reports speaking about the transaction list, all your invoices, all your different visits you have done so far, the recurring jobs you have done so far, the property listing, job follows, client communication, and so much more. And there you have it. You have learned the basic of using Jobber Pro for your actual business. If you wanted to find out more information about the Jobber, there's of course a home section that can be helping you to get started a lot of videos so you can find out more in specific situations about the Jobber Pro. So thank you for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more valuable tutorials from Online Media. Until next time.